Good morning, friends. We are seeing a beautiful morning, and today I'm going to give information about the burning issue of this neem trees. We consider this neem trees as a medicinal plant, and it's having 130 varieties of medicinal values in neem leaves, and all the parts of neem tree are antibacterial, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and anti bacterial सब कुछ है. It's a lot of medicinal values this plant is having. Now this plant itself is in danger. Now this plant's medicinal plant, this neem tree is infected with a fungus which is called, this disease is called dieback disease. When this dieback disease comes, all the young leaves which are coming, they will become like this. They will dry up as if it was burnt by somebody, and when we touch, we can feel the dryness, and it will be like this. And when this is the first symbol, first signal, first alarming signal, so this is first stage of infection, and later it will spread to entire plant, and it will dry up, and it will die very soon. So what we need to take is we have to go to the stems, and here we need to clean the stems, because the insect, there will be insect, it is called tea bug, which will go into the stem, and it will stay there, and it will take up all the juice, and then it will result into a fungus infection. That fungus infection results into drying up of leaves, and the tree will die very soon. Already thousands of trees are infected in our area, and in both the states, Telugu states, we are seeing this. So if you see any tree like this with this kind of dried leaves, it is a primary level of infection. Please spread this information in all villages. Particularly villages, they have a lot of attachment with these neem trees. Even in cities, urban parks, everywhere we have these neem trees. So we have to save this neem tree by at least we need to consult forest officers, urban biodiversity, and medicinal board. All these have this responsibility of saving these medicinal plants. First, let us do as a community and as a voluntary people. Just we need, as a responsible citizen, we should come out, and we should share this information to all the people. When the forest officers also comes, we need to identify and locate the trees so that they can start the medication. So if government side, if we are waiting for the support, meanwhile we can save the tree, because by spreading this, spraying the medicine here in the on the stems. So the stems we need to clean, and then we need to spray the any one of these medicines. 4 medicines I will give: Calugin, Bavistin, Monocrotophos, Chlorpyrifos. Any one of these medicines should be sprayed on the stems, so that the tree will be saved, and lot of trees are in danger. Please spread this information to everyone. In rural places also, nobody knows what is happening, because this is firstly identified in 1997 in Dehradun. This virus, this fungus, this is not virus, this is fungus, came through tea bug, which enters into the stems. So please spread this information, save the neem trees, which is our heritage, and we in India we consider this ficus as a Narayana, and this Lakshmi, name as Lakshmi. So Sri Mahalakshmi, when if we are losing Mahalakshmi in society, it will become very pathetic situation. So just save these trees, irrespective of religion, caste, anything. Everyone can save this. So this is our medicinal value tree. So everyone believe this is a medicinal, and already we have seen several years we are enjoying these medicinal values. So please save the neem trees. Spread the information to all the people. At least one tree we can save, that will be a very valuable. At least in future, if we are